another quick video. This is kind of about EDC, and everybody carries guns, but what do you carry to stop bleeds? This is one of my bags that I carry, kind of depending on what I'm doing, but everything that's on this bed besides the rifles and the AR pistol, and of course the handgun, fits inside this bag, and is something that I try to carry depending on where I'm going every day. So let's start off with first, I've got an extra AR-15 mag loaded with 55 grain Q31, 31, M193. We've got a bag with some gloves in it, some extra hearing protection in case I decide to quickly go to the range, you never know, or just in case I need it. This is the pistol that I was carrying today. It is a Glock 33. As you notice, the barrel extends out really far. It's because it has the Glock 33 is a 357 SIG, but I've switched the barrel out to a Glock 23 barrel, and this gun has been 100% reliable. You can see all the finish wear from holsters. 100% reliable in 40 Smith & Wesson instead of the normal caliber 357 SIG. There's a 9-round mag in it now, so that's 9 plus 1, 10 rounds when carried this way of 40 Smith & Wesson, and I usually carry 2 backup mags with this next to this AR mag. So and again, that all sits inside here. A 15 rounder and a standard 13 round mag. Then I will have at least 2 4x4s, 2 5x9s, emergency blanket in case somebody's in trouble, you never know going into shock, a cat's tourniquet, a rat's tourniquet because the cat tourniquet is too large for small children, so the rat's tourniquet would secure that if need be, God forbid. And then of course some trauma shears. Large triangular bandage can be wrapped around and then secured with different things. Then for soaking up, if something is really going bad, soaking up blood, a large Dynamat type gauze pad with 2 separate sections. Could also be cut with the trauma shears and could be secured by a little bit of medical type tape. This is just a basic first aid kit. Bandages, burns, headaches. It has sugar in there in case somebody, I usually also have at least, that's why I broke this out, because I realized I ate the snack bar that I keep in there. So I'm gonna reload it, and I just was like, I might as well check and make sure everything else is in here is good. Some Tripi antibiotic ointment, Blistex, some duct tape, about maybe 5 to 7 feet of duct tape, I think, wrapped around what could be used as either hand wiping material or as toilet paper, whatever it could be needed for. Then 2 small bottles of hand sanitizer, again, getting blood off your hands, cleaning up before you help somebody, cleaning up if something just is a mess, whatever, that stays in there. Had to refill these actually because I used a little bit of it once before. Then depending on if I have the AR pistol or not, I've got a battery for the EOTech, and then just for the Streamlight, this Streamlight is also always in there. So I have something to see at night, miscellaneous, just a power plug for different devices just in case. And of course, again, a backup small, just a basic blade. It's not anything fancy, but it will cut, it will stab if God forbid needed. So everybody always talks, oh yeah, a couple of chem lights. Definitely could use those for signaling something, wrapping around something. If you need to say, hey, this is where the problem is, guys, come over here. But this is kind of one of my basic EDC bags. And oh yeah, don't discount the hair ties. These things can have multiple purposes. I've used them before for just miscellaneous things, securing things, wrapping things up, whatever else. So this is just one of my basic EDC bags that I take out. So if you carry a gun, you might as well be prepared to help somebody else out if God forbid something happens. I mean, more than likely, more so than this being needed or this being needed, I might need some of this type of stuff to help a person out that's in trouble, or something like this. I don't have any nasal pharyngeal tubes or anything like that in there because I'm not a doctor, but I mean a basic stop the bleed type situation. I could throw some of this stuff out and help somebody. And of course a pad just in case I need to write directions, just anything. You never know when you need to write something down. Just random thoughts, whatever it may be. So this is just one of my EDC setups of things that I carry. I definitely need to get a few more things in there, some things possibly taken out or adjusted, but everybody needs some type of EDC if you carry a gun. Peace, fellas.